on this 2016 Kia Sorento. That notch right there has to fit over a bar that's at the top of the reservoir tank. Well, it's above the hole for this sensor, and when it's properly installed, you see the latch area right there. That's where the thumb latch goes. So when it's properly installed, if you can't see that, if you can see that the latch is dead square on top and flat, you should be good to go. But you can use a mirror and a flashlight to make sure that is in the proper position. See that notch right there? There's a tab up the top of the tank. It indexes into it. Just like that should be right. The latch should be at the top. Oops. The latch should be at the top, and there's a bar that comes out that slot has to line up on, and that should have it at the top dead center, and it should read low now. Now the system check should say that it's low on washer fluid. Hey, it says low on washer fluid. How about that? Now I'm going to go add some to it and see if it changes. And now that I've added a gallon of washer fluid, the lighter or the warning is out, so we've got that fixed. Go through the system check again. The only thing it shows is the hood is up and the door is ajar. We can take care of that. And the hood is closed, so no more warnings. How about that? We're just about to wrap this thing up.